Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into a travel essential that you don't want to miss: the DNSEN 5-pack 3.4 ounces travel bottles for toiletries. These bottles are the best TSA-approved travel bottles you can get, and let me tell you, they are a game-changer for your next trip. Whether you're traveling for business, vacation, or just a weekend getaway, you know how important it is to have the right travel-sized containers for your toiletries. The DNSEN bottles come in a set of 5, each holding 3.4 ounces, the perfect size to fit in your carry-on bag while meeting the sauce 3-1-1 rule for liquids. With these bottles, you won't have to worry about your favorite shampoo, conditioner, or lotion being left behind at security. The design of these bottles is fantastic. They come with leak-proof technology, thanks to a special thread design on the bottle mouth that tightly seals with the disc-top black cap. You can throw them in your bag without worrying about leaks or spills. The disc-style lid makes dispensing easy, with a simple press of a finger, so you won't struggle to get your toiletries out when you need them. Another great feature is the waterproof label that's included with the bottles. This is a small but super handy addition, allowing you to label your toiletries quickly and avoid confusion when you're on the go. Whether you're storing shampoo, conditioner, sunscreen, body lotion, or even cosmetics, these bottles can handle it all. What sets these bottles apart from others is their TSA approval. They are lightweight, durable, and compact, making them perfect for air travel. You can carry them in your bag without worrying about taking up too much space. Plus, they're made from BPA-free plastic, so you can travel with peace of mind knowing they're safe for both you and the environment. If you've ever struggled with finding travel bottles that actually work without leaking or being hard to refill, the DNSEN travel bottles are here to solve all those issues. These bottles are easy to refill, and the wide mouth design makes cleaning them a breeze. The clear body lets you see exactly what's inside, making it easy to pick the right bottle without fumbling around. The versatility of these travel bottles is another reason why they're a must-have for any traveler. Use them for your skincare, hair care, or even for storing makeup essentials. They're not just for liquids either. You can use them for lotions, gels, or creams, making them perfect for a variety of toiletries. If you're planning a trip soon and want to streamline your packing, these DNSEN travel bottles will be the perfect addition to your travel gear. They're practical, easy to use, and reliable. So, the next time you're gearing up for a vacation or business trip, don't forget to pack these TSA-approved travel bottles. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews of the best travel products and essentials. Happy travels, and I'll see you in the next video.